What's up, YouTube family? AKA Mr. Trade Hustler here with another video doing a technical analysis on one of my favorite ways to trade is the Strat. The Strat is an objective way of trading. It tells you where, when, why you're getting into position, tells you where your take profit is going to be, where your stop loss is going to be. It makes everything very simple if you just follow the chart and follow the patterns designed by Rob Smith, who's the creator of the Strat. It'll help you stay disciplined. It'll help you understand why you're getting in trades or why you're getting out of trades. And this is what we're doing in my community all day. We help individuals understand how to trade and not just be trading off emotion and not knowing how to get into entries and how to get out of entries. So we're gonna do a technical analysis on 2 trades that I took to help me profit over 220% on these trades in the last 2 days. Just help you find consistency in your trading so you can grow in your journey being a better trader. So let's get into the video to help you understand how this works, all right? First, you're gonna look at the 2-2 reversal. This is the method I normally like to trade. It's a very simple strategy. This candle, whether it's a 3 candle or 2 candle or one candle, whatever candle it is, once this candle in the middle breaks below this first candle, comes down, opens, comes down as far as this, comes all the way up, comes up and closes. Once this candle closes, you're going to take the break of once the next candle opens, you're gonna take that break of that candle, targeting to previous candle's upside, all right? Once again, once this candle goes down below this candle, it comes back into the range, closes within the range of this candle, you're gonna take the break of this candle high to the previous candle's high, all right? So that's called a 2 down, 2 up reversal method. And it shows you right here on the chart exactly how it played out on the Apple daily time frame. The daily time frame is a really strong time frame, so I knew when I got into this trade that it was gonna work beautifully, and it did exactly that. Right here, you see this 2 down candle. On the next day, it broke above it, opening above this previous candle, targeting the upside. First, this candle I got in late, but then it targeted all the way up to this side, and you can see it's all the way up here as of right now. So this is the 2 down, 2 up reversal on the daily time frame. Once I saw this candle break above this previous candle, that was my entry for this particular trade on Apple. Now we're gonna go to the QQQ trade that I took. Same principle applies, right? Nothing different. Same principle, really simple strategy to follow. For those who get confused very easily about when to take a trade, how to take a trade, same principle applies. Here's QQQ. QQQ came down, created a 2 down candle off an area of the order block with support. Either one, you can call it support, you can call it order block. Once it bounced back up and it closed above this candle, which is this candle right here, I got into my trade, taking the candle to the upside of 630, getting a nice profit off of that trade, just following the simple rules of this 2-2 reversal. 2 down, break above this candle, 2 up, targeting the upside of the next candle. Same thing right here. It went 2 down, 2 up, targeting this candle first, and then continuing on until it decided to fizzle out. But by that time, this move alone, right from here to here, is 150% move, especially when you get contracts a little further out of the money. See, I didn't take the 629 contracts. I probably took like the 630 contracts, and that's gonna yield you at least a good 150% on the trade. You're gonna probably be in the trade no more than 10 to 15, 20 minutes the max, all right? So we perform these type of strategies each and every day in my community. If you'd like to be a part of my community, please click the link below. There's a 14-day free trial. You'll probably be able to make your money back within the first couple of days of being in the community. So the first couple of months will probably end up being free. Forgot to show you my profits that I made on this particular trade. So as you can see on the Apple trade, my profit for the day was 98%. I made 98% of my money. And see, you don't need a lot of money in order to make money in the market, right? So if I made 90% and my total now is $892, that means I got into the trade for roughly about $400. But I made 98% within 20 minutes of trade in the market for that day. I didn't even hold the trade that long. The second trade was the QQQ trade I showed you. Profited 129% of this trade, and this trade was in like 15, 20 minutes. So the amount of money I had was $757. So just to subtract 129% from that, roughly what about a $300 trade that I took. So one trade was $400, another trade was $300. One trade I made 129%, the other trade I made 98% on my money. As you continue to learn this method, you'll see accounts start to compound. your account will be growing, and you'll be taking larger and larger positions, making it really easy to make a lot of money in the market. Again, if you'd like to be a part of this community, please click the link below. I'd love to help you grow your trading strategy. We also have mentorships where I do one-on-ones to help people who don't understand how to trade and get them to a level where they're comfortable taking trades. Even if they don't take the alerts in the Discord, we're going to help you become a profitable trader. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more technical analysis, please like and subscribe to the channel. Please share this video so it can get out to the algorithm so more people can see how to understand how to trade this beautiful method called the Strat. See you on the next video. Good luck. Take care.